Yeah.
Yo, let me tell y'all bitches a little bit about swagger, you feel me?
Something there, not nigga.
Like some of y'all that never nothing about that shit.
Nigga.
Oh yeah.
Swagger on my dicks, swagger on my lips, swagger from this bitch, swagger cause she's a sweaty little trick, yo, stinker than hell, swagger on my fucking bird tail, swagger in this bitch, swagger in this bitch, swagger in this bitch,
yo,
swagger from this bitch, swagger from this bitch, I got swagger, I got swagger, I got swagger from this bitch,
yo, check it, I got swagger on my dick, I got swagger on my lips, and my 2 fingers, what you gonna spit, I got swagger, spitting all up on that bitch's tits. Check that shit.
Swagger, come bitch, come, yo, sweatier than ever, never know, cause niggas run from this bitch. Yo, it's the stinkest shit that you will ever find. Need some deodorant to run it down that line. Yo, lips is spreading from the east to the west. And yes, I be getting the best, but yo, the best ain't nothing. Better put some deodorant down there on some something. Yeah, some swagger on my dick, swagger on my dick. I got some swagger on my dick, some sweaty pussy lips. That's what we call swagger, bitch. Yeah, you never know, cause we ripping this shit.
Yeah, Taco Bell even served the taco because that swagger ain't got some Broncos up on that shit. Swagger done shit. Swagger done did this and swagger done did that. But swagger done have that and have that. That motherfucking crack back.
back, bend this bitch back. Yo, and I got some swagger on my lip, got some swagger on my lip, got some swagger on my toe, dripping on my toe. What the fuck is this bullshit? Yo, swagger on my dick, swagger on my dick. You never know, cause I'm drunk as shit, yo.
Yo, that bitch sat on my face, she got swagger on my eyes, swagger on my nose. That motherfucking hoe just don't know what the fuck swagger is, cause she got swagger on my lips and swagger on my dick. Swagger from my head to my toes. Yo, she swag me cause she's a fucking dirty ass, sweaty ass motherfucking hoe. Stink as shit, she need some deodorant to run it down on this bitch. Yeah, cause the pubic hairs are fucking not catching that shit's like rain. Yo, swagger from my eyes, swagger for days, swagger in this vial. Yo, I got some swagger from this girl, dripped it up in a bottle, never knew my world. Cause yo, swagger on my dick cause I can pull that shit from the bottle and shit. Yo, the swag that this bitch carry can clear a whole room, bitch, like an hour ready. Yeah, you better get ready because this swagger, bitch, be all up in your shit. Swagger on your dick, swagger on your dick, and swagger on your fucking lips. I'm talking about swagger on your dick and swagger on your lips.
Yo, swagger everywhere. You get swagger, you don't even fucking care, don't even know. You think swagger is a thing you rap, but yo, swagger is a thing, a motherfucking thing that gets lick up on your dick, sweatier than shit. Never know because you never done eating out a clit. Cause yo, swagger everywhere. You got swagger up in your fucking head, swagger in your pubes. Never know the rules. Yo, sweatier than ever murking fools.
Yo, and if you up in the club and you smell that swag, then never put it in the bag, cause that swag got some jag all up in that shit. You got swagger on your dick and swagger on your lips.
Bitch. Swagger everywhere, swagger in the air, swagger shooting from this girl's legs, swagger every day, swagger from the way, swagger from the time, swagger from the rhyme, swagger, motherfucker, I be blind, swagger, motherfucker, yo, we go, swagger, motherfucker, yo, that's where we roll, that's where we smoke, swagger every time, swagger, sweaty pussy is the thing that we rhyme.